Hi everyone, my name is Daryl. I am a local, certified and professional tour guide in Tobago. At this moment, we are out on the Booker Reef and the famous Nylon Pool doing a very nice tour of the marine park. Here now we are at the Coral Garden, which is what you can actually see. Doing some snorkeling on the Booker Reef. White breakers that you've seen. This is Daryl. Different shades of water. We are in the Coral Garden just snorkeling today. It's going to be very good. Visibility is excellent. Booker Reef Marine Park. We are on board. That's the best glass bottom boat in Tobago. Sugar Lips. Got music on board, and later on we're going to end the show at No Man's Land with a lovely beach barbecue. Tobago and enjoy with Daryl's Tours and Adventures. I hope that this gives you a bit of motivation and a bit of inspiration to come to a beautiful island, discover the best of Tobago with the man himself. If you don't meet me, you don't meet Tobago. You are listening to Daryl from Daryl's Tours, and we are saying welcome to Tobago, and come to Tobago and discover the beautiful island which we call paradise. Thank you.